This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
This program is brought to you locally in part by... What are you looking for? A place to belong? A path to a career? A way to make things better? Do you wonder what opportunity looks like? Explore your answers here at Tennessee Tech.
Tennessee Tech, just like our state, is soaring to great heights. As president, I encourage you to learn more about Tennessee Tech. We transform lives every day. Tech is Tennessee.
Welcome to the WCTE High School Academic Bowl. I'm your moderator, Brian O'Connor, a math professor at Tennessee Tech University. We're here in the Oakley STEM Center on the campus of Tennessee Tech University, and our match today features teams from Portland High School and Scott High School. Let's meet our teams and our officials.
Hi, I'm Helena Beyer. I'm the academic team coach at Portland High School. I also teach AP US History and Social Studies.
Hi, I'm John Hutchinson. I'm a sophomore and I'm class president. And last year, this took me 20 tries.
Hi, I'm Matthew Rosa. I'm a junior. I'm in a band, and this year, I have facial hair.
Hello, I'm Michaela Sandlin. I'm a freshman and a member of the Portland High School academic team, and I like to read.
Hi, my name's Logan Livingston, and I'm a junior, and I'm also part of my school's ensemble. And I like toast, with butter, and jelly.
Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Jeffers. I'm the coach for the Scott High academic team. I'm also an instructional coach in Scott County, and Connor always tells the truth.
I'm Caleb Jeffers. I'm a sophomore at Scott High School. I'm part of the school's track team, and I'm way cooler than Gabe.
My name is Casey Robbins. I'm a sophomore at Scott High School. I run track, and I'm cooler than both Gabe and Caleb combined.
My name is Kendi Chadwell. I'm a senior at Scott High School, and I'm still a Gemini that likes long walks on the beach.
Hi, my name is Tony Young. I'm a freshman at Scott High School, and no one's cooler than me.
Hi, my name is Heather Gothard. I am delighted to be returning for a judge at the Academic Bowl. I'm a retired teacher from public school system, and I now teach part-time at Tennessee Tech.
Hi, I'm Marge Rios. I'm here to help judge today. I'm a retired teacher from Livingston Academy, where I taught for 21 years, and I was the Academic Bowl coach over there.
Hi, I'm Jody Pitts. I'm happy to be here as a scorekeeper for the WCT Academic Bowl. During the day, I'm the Director of Engagement and Education at WCTE.
Very good. You met everyone here, so let's begin our match. Teams, are you ready? Here's your first toss-up. How many years are in the 4 and 7 year? Matt?
84.
No, I will continue for Scott. Keston.
87.
87's 4 and 7 years ago from the Gettysburg Address. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points each, first name the field of dentistry that is concerned with treating improper bites and crooked teeth.
Orthodontics.
Orthodontics is correct. And next, name the field of dentistry that is concerned with treating the gums and part of the jaws that support the teeth.
Answer?
No answer.
That's periodontics. 10 points on the bonus. Here's your next toss-up. Which state represents about 1/6 of the total land area? Keston.
Alaska.
Alaska is correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 5 points each, tell in what Asian country these battles took place. Asian country. First, Quezon.
China.
No, it was Vietnam, South Vietnam. Second, Incheon.
Korea.
That's correct, South Korea. We'll take Korea. Next, Bataan.
Answer?
India.
No, it was Philippines. And finally, Iwo Jima.
Japan.
Japan is correct. 10 points on that bonus question. Here's your next toss-up. Name the American automobile that was introduced with great fanfare in 1950. Matt.
The Model A.
No, I'll continue for Scott. Introduce it. Keston.
The Model T.
No, if you let me finish the question. Great fanfare in 1958, but which flopped so badly it was discontinued 2 years later. Edsel. No points there. Here is your next toss-up question. This Andrew Lloyd Webber musical was made into a movie starring Antonio Banderas and Madonna. Name this musical.
Evita.
Evita, set in Argentina. Correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points each, what is 2 cubed times 5 squared?
Answer?
200.
200 is correct. And next, also for 10 points, what is 5 cubed times 2 squared?
Answer?
500.
500 is correct. Both parts correct. 20 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. A colossus is a gigantic structure. Spell colossus. Caleb.
Colossus.
No, can you take it, Portland? Matt.
Colossus.
No, Colossus. No points on that, and we go to another toss-up. The Nobel Prizes are some of the most esteemed awards in existence. In what country is the Nobel Institute? Keston.
America.
No, I will continue for Portland. In what country is the Nobel Institute located? Matt.
Sweden.
No, it's Norway. Next toss-up. What is the six-letter adjective starting with the letter U that means courteous, refined, or suave? Time, that's urbane. Next toss-up. After years of debate in this largely Roman Catholic country, voters in 1995 ended Ireland's constitutional ban on what? John.
Gay marriage.
No, can you take it? Scott. Kendi.
Abortion.
No, it was divorce. No points there. Next toss-up question. The RH factor was named after what animal? Matt.
Hawk.
No, can you take it, Scott? Time, that's the rhesus monkey. Next toss-up. Which of the following terms is used to describe the appearance of a mineral in reflected light? Is it diaphaneity, luster, tenacity? Keston.
Luster.
Luster is correct. The others were tenacity and porosity. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points, the first name of the 19th century female American poet Dickinson rhymes with a figure of speech comparing two unlike things using like or as. Name both.
The last name is Emily, and the figure of speech is a simile.
Emily and simile, correct. 10 points there. Also for 10 points, identify both the Spanish word meaning a fleet of ships with the rhyming word that is the name of an American hotel chain.
Armada and Ramada.
Armada and Ramada, correct. 20 points on the bonus question. Here's your next toss-up. What geometric figure is described by the planar equation x times y equals 1? Keston.
A circle.
No, can you take it, Portland? Matt.
A cylinder.
No, it's a hyperbola. Next toss-up. What NASCAR racing legend died in a crash on the
Dale Earnhardt Sr.
On the final lap of the 2001 Daytona 500? Dale Earnhardt. Correct there. 10-point or bonus comes up here. For 10 points each, give the title and author of the book which contains the proclamation, all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others.
Animal Farm. George Orwell.
Animal Farm by George Orwell. Correct. Both parts, 20 points on that bonus. Next toss-up question. Name the region of the electromagnetic spectrum that is intermediate in wavelength between the ultraviolet region and the gamma ray region. Keston.
Visible light.
No, can you take it, Portland? Matt.
X-ray.
X-ray is correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. The year 1968 witnessed the assassinations of Martin Luther King Jr. and Robert Kennedy. For 10 points each, name the two men who were convicted of these murders.
Defer. James Earl Ray, and no answer.
James Earl Ray and Sirhan Sirhan. 10 points on that bonus question. Here's your next toss-up. What Portuguese explorer discovered the Cape of Good Hope? Caleb.
Magellan.
No, can you take it, Portland? Matt.
Da Gama.
No, Bartolomeo Diaz. No points there. Here's your next toss-up. What two countries occupy the Iberian Peninsula? Caleb.
Portugal and Spain.
Portugal and Spain is correct. 10 points there. And here comes your bonus. For 10 points, which of the following is the chemical formula for calcite? CaCO3, CaMgSO4. You have to stop there, and we've got a tie score at the end of the first round. You got a good match here. Scott 80 and Portland 80. Come on back for our lightning round.
This program is brought to you locally in part by... What are you looking for? A place to belong? A path to a career? A way to make things better? Do you wonder what opportunity looks like? Explore your answers here at Tennessee Tech.
Tennessee Tech, just like our state, is soaring to great heights. As president, I encourage you to learn more about Tennessee Tech. We transform lives every day. Tech is Tennessee.
Welcome back to the WCTE High School Academic Bowl. Got a great match going on here. A tight match, exciting. Portland and Scott are both tied at 8 at the end of the first round. We have a substitution to tell you about on Scott. Gabe has replaced Tony.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Stakely, and I'm a sophomore, and I play guitar, like to solve Rubik's Cubes. Now I'm way cooler than Caleb.
Very good. We're going to start our lightning round. As each team was tied, we had a sort of special probabilistic runoff to decide who gets to choose first. And Portland, you get to choose first. The categories are cities and states. Which would you like?
States.
States. Identify the U.S. state from these clues. Are you ready? Smallest state in area.
Rhode Island.
Smallest state in population.
Wyoming.
Badlands National Park is in this state.
South Dakota.
Cornell University is located in this state.
Pass.
Puget Sound touches this state's northwest.
North Carolina.
Martha's Vineyard is in this state.
Virginia.
More peaks over 14,000 feet found here.
Washington State.
Largest state in area east of the Mississippi River.
New York.
This state was its own country from 1836 to 1845.
Texas.
Grand Canyon National Park is in this state.
Arizona.
Cornell University is located in this state.
New Jersey.
You have 5 correct. The ones you missed: Cornell University, my alma mater, is in New York, Ithaca. Puget Sound is in Washington. Martha's Vineyard is Massachusetts. And more peaks over 14,000 feet in Colorado. Largest state in area east of the Mississippi River is Georgia. So 5 correct, 50 more points brings you up to 130. And now we come to Scott with the category of cities. Name the largest city in population in these states according to latest estimates. 10 points for each correct answer. First, Alabama.
Montgomery.
Kansas.
Wichita.
Idaho.
Boise.
Florida.
Miami.
North Carolina.
Charlotte.
Delaware.
Pass.
Alaska.
Anchorage.
Kentucky.
Louisville.
Montana.
Cheyenne.
New Jersey.
Pass.
Delaware.
Pass.
New Jersey.
Rutherford.
You have 5 correct. We still have a tie, 130 to 130. The ones you missed: Alabama, Birmingham. Jacksonville in Florida is the largest city in the state. Wilmington, Delaware. Billings, Montana, and Newark, New Jersey. So the score is now 130 to 130, and we are going to start our second half. Here is your first toss-up question. Name Thackeray's tale about the loves of a strong-willed Becky Sharp in Regency, England. Time, that was Vanity Fair. Next toss-up, of all the Hawaiian Islands, which one is the largest in area? Matt?
Hawaii.
No, can you take it, Scott? Caleb?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points each, what are the 2 major areas into which the subject of biology has been divided?
Time. Microbiology and anatomy.
No, botany and zoology. No points there. Here's another toss-up. When Herbert Hoover was inaugurated, he was sworn into office by an ex-president. Who was he? Matt?
Taft.
Taft, who was Chief Justice at the time. Correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points, what state has 3 sets of double letters in its name?
Mississippi.
I will accept that. Tennessee's another one. Also for 10 points, what is the word that has 3 consecutive sets of double letters?
Answer?
No answer.
It's bookkeeper. K's, E's, and P, or O's, K's, and E's. 10 points on that bonus question. Here's another toss-up. What is the cosecant of 90 degrees? Time, it's 1. Next toss-up, which organ of the body is enclosed in a sac called the pericardium? Logan?
Gallbladder?
No, can you take it, Scott? Keston?
The liver?
No, the heart. Pericardium. Next toss-up, who painted mothers with their children? An example being The Bath.
Manet.
John, say it again.
Manet.
No, can you take it, Scott? Keston?
Monet?
No, it's Mary Cassatt. Next toss-up, under what given name did Muhammad Ali Caleb?
Cassius Clay.
Cassius Clay began his boxing career. Correct there, 10 points. Here is your bonus question. For 10 points, the French word le chien refers to what kind of animal?
A dog.
Dog is correct. And next, for 10 points, the French word la neige refers to what type of precipitation?
Rain.
No, it's snow. 10 points on the bonus question. Here's another toss-up. Name the silver-colored metal which is a chemical element with chemical symbol HF. Keston?
No answer.
Can you take it, Portland? Time, that's hafnium. Next toss-up. Name the English detective story writer who gave the world detective...
Sir
Cindy.
Arthur Conan Doyle.
I will continue for Portland. Gave the world detective Hercule Poirot and books such as The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. John.
Agatha Christie.
Agatha Christie is correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points, what constellation is known as the Archer?
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius is correct. And next, for 10 points, what constellation is known as the Lion?
Leo.
Leo. Both parts right. 20 points on that bonus. Next toss-up. What is the name given to the bright hand-woven blankets worn by many... Matt?
Quilt.
No, I'll continue for Scott. Hand-woven blankets worn by many Mexicans. Caleb?
Ponchos.
No, a serape. Next toss-up. Who killed Alexander Hamilton in a duel? Kendi.
Aaron Burr.
Aaron Burr, 1804. That is correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. There are 32 permanent teeth in humans. The set is made up of 4 different kinds of teeth. For 5 points each, name these 4 kinds.
Canines, molars, incisors, and wisdom teeth.
Incisors, cuspids, bicuspids, and molars is what I have. Do canines count there? I don't think so. I think they're part of incisors. So 10 points on that bonus question for the 2 correct you got, incisors and molars. We now go to our next toss-up question. An old proverb says, every blank has a silver lining. Caleb.
Cloud.
Cloud is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points each, identify the person who said the following last words. Thomas Jefferson still survives.
John Adams.
John Adams, correct, 10 points there. So little done, so much to do.
Answer?
Dr. Seuss.
No, Alexander Graham Bell. 10 points on that bonus question. Here's another toss-up. This country, southeast of Australia, is made up of 2... Caleb.
New Zealand.
Made up of 2 islands separated by the Cook Strait. New Zealand, correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. Surtsey Island was born in 1963 off the coast of Iceland. Here are a couple questions about it for 10 points each. First, did it come into existence as a result of dumping, iceberg gathering, earthquake, or volcanic eruption?
Volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption is correct. Second part, how long did it take this island to have plants and animals on it? 6 months, an hour and a half, 2 years, or it's still barren?
It's still barren.
No, 2 years. 10 points on that bonus question. Here's another toss-up. He was the national security advisor under President Nixon and shared a Nobel Peace Prize for his Vietnam peace settlement. Name him.
John Smith.
No, can you take it, Scott? Time, that was Henry Kissinger. Next toss-up, identify the value of 27 raised to the negative 2/3 power. Heston.
18.
No, can you take it, Portland? Logan.
9.
1/9. Nope. Next toss-up. Priam, Priam, was the last king of what legendary city sacked by Greece? Matt.
Babylon.
No, can you take it, Scott? Caleb.
Troy.
Troy is correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. For 10 points, name the functional group which ketones contain.
Answer?
Sharps.
The carbonyl group. And for 10 points, name the functional group which alcohols contain.
Answer?
No answer.
That's the hydroxyl group. Next toss-up. No points on that bonus. Next toss-up. What body of water separates Egypt and Saudi Arabia? Caleb.
The Suez Canal.
No, can you take it, Portland? Matt.
The Nile River.
No, the Red Sea. No points there. Here's another toss-up.
No answer.
That's the end of our match. What an exciting match. A great one. Scott High School 230, Portland 180. Thank you, teams. Very good.
This program is brought to you locally in part by... What are you looking for? A place to belong? A path to a career? A way to make things better? Do you wonder what opportunity looks like? Explore your answers here at Tennessee Tech.
Tennessee Tech, just like our state, is soaring to great heights. As president, I encourage you to learn more about Tennessee Tech. We transform lives every day. Tech is Tennessee.
This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.